So first what we do is we just check the threads with a thread gauge to make sure that the threads are good and they're not damaged. Yeah, after checking the threads, what we'll do is we'll remove the hydrophobic filters from the sensor. And then inspect the inside. And what you can do is you can look down the shorter side and inspect for any damaged O-rings. You can kind of like point down there. You can usually see the damaged O-rings if they're shredding, but in this case they're not. So the next step will be is to clean the windows. So we use isopropyl alcohol and Q-tips, and then sometimes we bend the Q-tip around the corner because you can't hit the window right on sometimes. And then we'll use the Q-tip also to clean all the inside of the sensor housing. So using another Q-tip, a clean Q-tip with isopropyl alcohol on it, we can clean the whole sensor. And then if you suspect there's still some residual alcohol in there, then you can blow it out with nitrogen or clean air to dry it. You can just use a dry Q-tip to actually dry it as well. So once the windows are clean, you can use another Q-tip to clean the inside nose above the windows.